Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can try to fix the incoming calls not showing on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. If you have this issue, you need to go to the settings. In the settings you want to scroll down and find apps and then choose app management. Now we're gonna start by pressing these three dots in the top right corner and then choose show system. And here we can search for phone and then select the phone app. Over here you want to force stop it, and then go to storage usage and then choose clear data, delete, and this should also clear cache. However, if cache is not cleared after that, then of course also choose clear cache. Now let's go back, and this time we're gonna open phone services and do the same thing. So force stop, go to storage usage and then clear data and cache. There you go. And then type call and then go to call management and do the same thing in the call management. So force stop, go to storage usage and then clear data and cache eventually. And that should help. Now you can also open the phone app just in case to make it work and then give it a try. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.